So I want to show you my second job lot from Amazon. And I will check if Amazon actually put these together and sold them, or if it was some kind of supplier who's just trying to get rid of all their cheap stuff, because the amount that of items I got, which I got 4 items in this, and I was told it would be, now I bought 2 of them, so I'm not sure which one. It was either the 4 to 35 items or 4 to 20 items. And both boxes had 4 items. They definitely do not come to a value of what it's worth. Okay, so if you see this, run. Don't get them. The only thing that is worth it, I'll show you at the end, but the first thing I saw was this, and I thought, what is this? So it's a USB light, and it says you plug into a USB port, so it can be used with a power bank, laptop, basically anything that has a USB port, and it's a little light. So the way I can see you use it, if you're, say, a gamer and you play all hours, you might put it into your computer and it's a little light and it bends and it's quite flexible. Or if you are, I don't know, if you work at night or need something a little light, this is good. So I was thinking, maybe in the hallway, I've got a hallway light switch that has USB. I could plug this in, put that on, and then I've got myself a night light, especially if I'm staying in a hotel, because this is quite light and small. So I can take this with me in a hotel and take my my little USB plug-in, right? So that would be good. So this one, not bad, not worth a lot. And then, yeah, this one, I haven't even taken it out the box. So this one is called a sunset lamp. And you plug it in, and it's supposed to, one key touch control, stepless dimming. So long press the touch of the button to adjust the brightness. And it has a magnetic design. So it means supposedly I can, no, I've just tried to put it on a magnetic surface, and it didn't like it. So I'm not sure where. I'm going to have to play with this one. If you want me to try and show you how this one works, then do put that in the comments. But yeah, it's called a sunset lamp, and it has a charging time of 2 hours, and yeah, and you can just have this lamp. Yeah, so there was that. Now this one reminded me of actually, I don't know, about 20 years ago, when we all were starting to use mobile phones a lot more, so maybe it's a little bit longer than that. And maybe it is 20 years ago, 25, I don't know. And you're walking around the city and you need to make a lot of phone calls, and you didn't want to have that. And then you got those things that go across your ear. So yeah, now this one is called a sports headphone, but it looks like there's only one, and it's basically a wireless headset. The business design, but on the back it says sports headphone. Yeah. So this one is one that I might just donate that to someone, or see if somebody I know needs one. They used to be quite good when I was young, but nowadays we all have ear pods. There's 2 of them. It's much better for balanced hearing. Yeah. So that's it. And then the last thing, the best thing, same as I got in the last one. And there we go. This is one of those charging cables for your phone, smaller gadget, so not for a computer, because it has the USB on one end, and it has 3, so it kind of goes here and it goes to the 3 different connectors, yeah, which is quite handy. As I've said in other videos about this, really handy when you travel, or if you have it in your handbag, or if you don't carry a handbag, then maybe your backpack, satchel, whatever, your travel bag. It's just so much smaller to this than 3 different cables, but as I've mentioned in other videos, that it's not great for heavier duty devices. I do find with most cables, maybe it's because I don't spend like 30 quid on them on each one. I tend to buy cheaper ones, and not the cheapest, but not the most expensive. I don't find they last a couple of years, and then something happens to them and I have to get rid of them, take them to the tip. Yeah, but this one really handy. I will be using this, and that. But the other items in this one, I might use this as well, but probably not the other 2. Great. I'd love to hear what you thought of the mixed lot and whether you would buy one. If you found this video useful, helpful, or interesting, then please, if you can click on that thumbs up, it really, really does help me. And if you would like to see more of my videos, do subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a great day. Bye for now.